When I started, I knew nothing about web technology, but after that, I got a broader view of how the industry works. This was not actually possible without 10x Academy. My name is Dinesh Borse. I'm from Nasik, Maharashtra. I've done my BE from Mumbai City, and I'm a 2020 pass out. The field that I've done the BE is in mechanical engineering. I did have a programming background because as even though my field was mechanical, I was very much interested in robotics. So I did know the C language before. So I have most of the work I do was in C, and then one of the project I was needing the web development thing. So I started to search and learn the web technologies, where the first language that came across was JavaScript. And when I started doing the learning the JavaScript from the YouTube, but after say 8 to 12 hours of videos, I was still not satisfied with what was taught, which was still not enough. So while watching one of the week, I got the ad of 10x Academy, and then through that I went through all the complete website of 10x Academy, where I found out the ISA thing, which is income sharing agreement, and the time frame, how much the website, how much the will be going on for, and what will be taught in that particular program. So whatever was included into the curriculum, I was very satisfied, and the ISA was the one thing that made me choose this 10x Academy. 10x team mostly, as I already had the programming background, so that was not the issue. Sometimes the approach to a problem was the issue for me. Whenever I start reading the problem, I will right away start the coding. So one of the best thing they told me was just read the problem, try to think of some test cases, and try to think of an optimal way to solve the problem, not just solve the problem. So this was the main thing that they told me. And of course, then comes the web technology thing, which I knew nothing of. So they taught about React, they taught about Node.js and MongoDB. Yeah, and multiple things. More things were told, but yeah, these were the main things that they helped me with. One-on-one mentor session was at least for me was very beneficial, because I told the approach issue was there, and that was actually told in one-on-one session only. There are other sessions also, but one-on-one session is the main thing that helping in this part, where I was feeling that my approach to a problem might be incorrect. And actually, rather than me finding out, they only told me that this way you should approach the problem, then it will be a better. As we are connected to Slack, and if we face any issue, we definitely can ask in the Slack threads, and there are multiple mentors there who can directly on the same point can help us. And that is the way. Actually, if some mentors, if we do not have one-on-one session scheduled, then at least we can get the help from them. Sometimes some of the mentors who have extra time, they also directly join with us if the issue is not resolved, or if we do not understand something, they might connect with us with the meet. As I have not given any interview till date before joining the 10x Academy. So yeah, the mock interviews were the first interviews that I ever faced, and I found out how the basic structure of interview goes. And mostly they will try to simulate a proper interview that will be taken. Suppose if you go for a real interview, Same thing, same way the interview will be conducted, and they will give us the DSA problem and all that. And as the interview starts with the introduction and everything will be included in the mock interview. When I started, I knew nothing about web technology, and before I only knew few things, which was mostly I did programming in C. But after that, I got a broader view of how the software field works, how the industry works, and this was not actually possible without 10x Academy. I learned about the process that goes into developing a software or a web, a single page application, or anything related to software. What is the process that I learned in 10x Academy?